Okay, today we learned how to complete the square with expressions. So this is on page 121. It's homework problem number 4. You first have to look at your coefficient in front of that x squared. And in this case, it happens to be a negative. So I am going to factor out the negative 1 out of the a and the b term. So I'm going to get negative 1 times x squared plus 4x plus 2. And that is still equivalent to my original expression. I am then going to look at what's in parentheses. Take the b term and divide it in half. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Scrap side of your piece of paper, I want you to write out those two binomials, and I want you to double distribute. X squared plus 2x plus 2x plus 4. Combine your like terms, x squared plus 4x plus 4. Now, if you take a look at what you already have inside your parentheses, you already have your x squared plus 4x. We need to add the positive 4 in order to complete my square. I still have the positive 2 on the outside, and this is where you have to be really careful. What you now need to do is subtract the negative 1 times the positive 4. The negative 1 comes from here. And I am subtracting this. So you're going to use your words. Subtract the negative 1 times the 4. So let's clean this up. This trinomial works out to be x plus 2, that entire quantity squared. And let's simplify. I have a positive 2 times a positive 4. So my final answer here is going to be negative 1 times x plus 2 quantity squared plus 6. Now I'm going to go on to question number 6, which is a little bit different. In this case, I have a 2 in front of that x squared term, so I need to factor out the 2. So I'm left with x squared plus 10x plus my 32. And again, distribute just to make sure that you come up with the same exact expression. Now you have to do your scrap work. Take the 10, divide it in half. So I get a positive 5. Double distribute. X squared plus 5x plus 5x plus 25. Combine your like terms. And I get x squared plus 10x plus 25. So now, I am going to complete my square. I already have the x squared plus 10x. I need to add a positive 25 in order to complete the square. I still have the 32. And now what I need to subtract. Remember, the 2 is being multiplied by the positive 25. So I need to subtract the 2 times the 25. Now let's clean this up. I have 2 times this trinomial works out to be x plus 5 squared. I have a positive 32 minus 50. And I'm going to get negative 18. So my final answer is 2 times x plus 5 entire quantity squared minus 18.